In Estonia, building of the castles began approximately in the 13th century. Defenses in the Romanesque and Gothic style appeared in Estonia after it had been conquered by the Crusaders. In the 14th, 17th centuries there were 114 castles in Estonia, but now there are only 35 of them. Do you want to feel the touch of royal luxury? Do you like to study Hanseatic architecture and history? Would you like to spend some time with the Estonian ghost face to face? You can enjoy all this in the medieval castles of Estonia. Rakvere Castle is one of the most famous fortresses.
In the middle of the 13th century, the Danes built a stone fortification on the place of the settlements of the Estonians. Later, the Germans, the Russians, and the Swedes turned it into a powerful fortress. The castle belonged to the type of castellar with courtyard with some galleries. Despite the numerous wars and battles, and northern Paids remains its original height of 24 meters. During the Livonian War in the 16th century, Rakvere Castle passed from hand to hand and was destroyed. But in the 20th century, the castle was converted into a museum.
At the end of the 10th and the beginning of the 11th centuries, the Danes built a city which present name is Tallinn. In 1265, the ruler of Denmark ordered to build a stone wall around the city. The residents of Tallinn were free from taxes for 4 years. The wall was constructed on the collect money. This wall still exists around Tallinn, having 11 watchtowers. The height of the wall is from 11 to 12 meters and the width is of 2.3 meters. We want to tell you about some of them. In the lower town there is the town hall square. The heart of the trading city was beating here. Salt was the best-selling product. Tallinn is built on the salt, says the medieval proverb. For example, 57 ships with salt sailed to Tallinn.